Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we are diving deep into a comparison between two powerful graphics cards, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G and the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070. Both cards boast 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, but they cater to different segments of gamers. The RX 7600 XT is designed for high-refresh 1080p and capable 1440p gaming, while the RX 9070 targets premium 1440p and entry-level 4K gaming. Join us as we explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which card is right for you. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G is a solid mid-range card that excels in 1080p gaming and can handle 1440p with ease. Its 16 GB of GDDR6 memory ensures smooth gameplay and future-proofing for upcoming titles. On the other hand, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 is designed for enthusiasts, offering superior performance with its 256-bit memory interface and higher effective memory clock. This card is perfect for gamers looking to push their settings to ultra at 1440p, or even venture into 4K gaming. The RX 9070's robust architecture allows it to maintain high frame rates in demanding scenarios, making it a top choice for serious gamers. Price is a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G is priced at $359, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers who still want excellent performance. In contrast, the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 comes with a hefty price tag of $579. While the RX 9070 offers superior performance, its higher cost may deter some buyers. It's essential to weigh the performance benefits against the price to determine which card offers the best value for your gaming needs. Cooling solutions are vital for maintaining optimal performance during gaming sessions. The GIGABYTE RX 7600 XT features the WindForce 3X cooling system, which includes 3 fans that efficiently dissipate heat and keep the card running cool even under load. This design not only enhances performance but also prolongs the card's lifespan. Meanwhile, the PowerColor Reaper RX 9070 employs a custom dual-fan cooling solution that is both sleek and effective. Its design ensures that the card remains cool during intense gaming sessions, allowing for sustained performance without thermal throttling. Both cards offer robust cooling solutions, but the choice may come down to personal preference in design and aesthetics. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC 16G and the PowerColor Reaper AMD Radeon RX 9070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 7600 XT offers excellent performance for its price, making it a great choice for gamers on a budget. On the other hand, the RX 9070 is a powerhouse that caters to enthusiasts looking for top-tier performance. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.